What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can actually take part in the BTCs giveaway on the Satoshi mining application. So guys, if you come to your main dashboard here, but guys, before I get started, I would like it if you can actually just give me a second and hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I noticed that most of my viewers are not actually subscribed, about more than 90% of you guys are not subscribed. So I really appreciate it if you can actually subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is actually going to encourage me to make more videos, and it's going to help other people to see these videos so that we can all make some money, make some extra cash in the crypto space. So guys, if you want to take part in the giveaway, first of all you must have invited at least a few members. If you want to find your referral code, you can click the recruit miners button at the top corner, or you can click the mining factory and you're able to see your referral code. So try and refer as much as possible your friends and families so that you'll be able to participate in the giveaway. The giveaway is the best way to actually earn Bitcoin from this application. So clicking on BTC giveaway now, so it's going to allocate a particular amount of votes for you. So according to what they wrote here, it said depending on the recruitment, so depending on this, that's how you're going to be able to vote. So you can put any amount of votes based on any letter. So you can vote for the 3 letters BTC, and you can allocate the votes you have to each of the letters. So I actually have like about 200 votes here, so I'll try and split them across all the letters so that I'll be able to have a higher chance of winning. So I'm just going to input my votes now. So let's see, let's put if we divide 200 by 3, we have about 65 or so. So let's just put 65 for each of them. So if I put 65 here, 65 here, and I put the last one is 70, and I put 70 here, and that's all guys. So that's just how easy it is to just vote. So if you actually want more votes, you can actually refer more people. And as I said earlier guys, if you can't refer, you at least try and refer someone that can refer people, so that you still get both the bonuses that come from that person and you still be able to get votes as well. So scrolling down, you can see there's something called lucky list 888 my share lucky. So the lucky list is actually some people that have actually won USDT. The 888 is for those that have won $888 worth of Bitcoin just from this application. So if you want to see them, you can actually click on that. The 88 is for those that will receive 88 USDT, $88 worth of Bitcoin as well. And if you actually want to click on, if you click on my, that's my will show you there. If you've won any time, it will show it in the my record. The share lucky is after you've won, you can actually share your testimonial with others. So guys, that's just basically it guys. As you can see, this is one of the easiest ways you can actually get BTC. If you are lucky enough, you can actually earn more than enough BTC guys. So as you can see, this is actually how it is allocated at the top, so you can just look through it and see how it works. So that's going to be it for this video guys. If you got anything out of this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe guys. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification button on, so that you'll be able to get all the notifications like this and you won't miss out on exciting videos like this. I'll see you in subsequent videos guys. Thanks.